Hello, everybody, and welcome back to 5 Minute Crypto. Bitcoin had a crazy breakout. I think you guys have all seen it. The last couple of days have just been amazing, amazing, amazing. Yet today was actually a pretty bad day for Bitcoin, but more specifically for XRP. And today we'll be covering exactly why. Now, I would say the long story short is that XRP is actually just following the pattern. Not that difficult, pretty easy to follow. Just finding some resistance, retesting some support, and coming back up to eventually hit a crazy breakout. At least that is my expectation. Bitcoin, even though it had a pretty bad day, is actually not really showing any signs of weakness. Very funny. Just today, one guy opened a Bitcoin long in front of my face, and he lost about 14 Bitcoin in about, let's say, 6 minutes or so, because the price dropped from, I think, 62,000 or so to about 59. This is rather interesting. It happened rather quickly as well. Yet I think that if he still has the position open, today will be an amazing day, because I think most cryptos will recover and things will just break out towards the top side. Now, in terms of complete market cap, I told you guys as well, I think the next day is going to be green, and we were barely correct. I told you guys this on my DustDBC channel, but from here on forward, I'll be posting more and more updates on this channel purely about the price and purely about trading because, well, I got to get you guys the updates, and I really do a lot of trading. It's actually kind of funny. Right now, for example, I just opened a small long position on XRP as well. I was a little bit late to the party because I only started going long here, but I guess it's still not too bad. To be honest with you, it's not a confirming type of reversal that I would like to trade. Then again, since it was such a huge dip, I should have just bought it about $1 or so when I got the chance. Right now, we are back at like $1.09, but I still think XRP is extremely undervalued. If you take a look at the broader perspective, I guess, so to speak. From the broader perspective, it is still extremely, extremely undervalued. And so buying at all these places basically is fine. We actually got pretty lucky that we didn't go below $1 because a lot of our positions that we have open, or even this one, look at this, guys. Even this one, our position here, it barely did not get liquidated. Look at how close it got to my $1.141 price point. That is insanely funny. It went to about 101.22 or so. That is actually really crazy coincidental that we just got saved. Barely, barely, barely. The lowest was 101.21. 101.21. And our liquidation was 101.41. So I guess maybe this just changed a little bit when prices were going down. Because theoretically speaking, our money should have been gone. We should have been liquidated. But we're still in with our $1,500, about 20,000 XRP worth of trades. And to be honest with you guys, I'm trading XRP right now purely actually for the competition. It's pretty funny because this is the account which I guess I show quite often, but it's like the main account, not the side account or however you call it. In this little section right there somewhere throughout here, just check it out somewhere. You can actually open yourself like a sub account. That's what it's called. You guys might want to do that. Now, again, guys, I was in this list for a little bit, and you can most likely see my email somewhere if we actually get back up there. But it's funny how the rankings change. By the way, this is my 50,000 XRP competition. You guys might want to check it out. A link is down below for that one. It's just, again, a competition where you guys can win 50,000 XRP. Right now, it's 160 people who entered. Check it out. A link is down below. And I guess if you're wondering what my strategy is, I'm just long on almost every single crypto. A lot of the guys over in the crew here were going short right now, but I don't really feel like it. Every single fundamental is pushing me towards the top. Every single thing that I've literally looked at for the last couple of days is showing me towards the top. All coins, I don't think they're going to pump crazy just quite yet. I think it's going to be Bitcoin for a little while more. But I think XRP also is now bouncing back from the $1.09. Just going to go back to about $1.13 in the very, very short term. It's kind of interesting how this actually moved downwards. A very interesting move happened on that. And also, a couple of you guys were actually talking about ADA. ADA is actually having a symmetrical triangle right now. And I'm hoping another breakout akin to what we've seen before is going to happen right now for ADA. I think the triangle is a little bit too obvious here. I don't think I need to show it for you guys in terms of drawing. You guys can all see it. The triangle, which is being built for ADA right now. You can see it on a daily perspective. You can see it on an hourly perspective. You can see it on any perspective. Let us see. Let us see. Let us see. Actually, one of the guys who was chilling with just now, while this was happening, no, I guess it's an hourly that he showed it on. because while this was happening, it was actually telling us it's going to go down, and then of course try again and hopefully break out. And the breakout obviously is going to look a little bit along the lines of this, which again will look like this. We'll see $2.50, $2.60 for ADA not too long from now, if you actually ask me. But a lot of rambling here. I, of course, have to kind of get back into track of making just some small TA videos instead of like long news and everything like that. Let me know if you actually trade crypto or if you would like some different sorts of updates on this channel or both. All right, let me know in the comments section down below. I vouch to make this channel only 5-minute videos, so let me know what you'd like to see, and I'll see you guys again in another crypto video later today.